Assalamu Alaikum, our dedicated students and seekers of knowledge. This is Kiran, CEO at AgriClima AI Consultant. As we move through the blessed days of Ramadan, a month of reflection, depth, and return to our Creator, I'd like to personally invite you to watch a powerful lecture titled The Main Objective of Surah Al-Fatihah by Ustadh Nouman Ali Khan from the series Akhri Moujza. Now, Surah Al-Fatihah is something every one of us recites, at least 17 times a day. But how often do we truly pause and ask, what is Allah actually telling us through these words? What is the relationship He is inviting us into before any command, before any obligation? This lecture answers that question beautifully. Ustadh Nouman shows us how a single expression, Alhamdulillah, carries every form of praise that has ever existed or will ever exist. No language, no translation can fully replace it. And then he takes us into the word Rabb, a word we say so often, yet whose depth most of us have never truly explored. Rabb is not just Lord. It holds 5 profound meanings: Malik, Sayyid, Munim, Murabbi, and Al-Qayyim. Each one a different dimension of how Allah relates to His creation. Not as an absent creator who wound up the universe and stepped away, but as a Rabb who actively sustains, nurtures, and maintains every single thing at every single moment. This lecture will change how you recite Al-Fatihah forever. And here is what makes this important for all of us. Just as we are Khalifah, trustees of this earth, we are also servants with a relationship to our Creator that goes far deeper than ritual. Understanding who your Rabb truly is the foundation of everything, of worship, of stewardship, of purpose. Today's quiz is not just a test of memory, it is an invitation to reflect on the words you speak every single day. After watching the lecture, complete the short quiz to reinforce what you have learned. No special background required, just an open heart and sincere attention. Important: you must score 80% or above to qualify. Successful participants will earn redeemable CATs, carbon awareness tokens, which during this blessed month of Ramadan can be redeemed for real value toward your iftar and suhoor meals, turning knowledge into nourishment. So take a few minutes, watch with reflection, answer thoughtfully, because knowing Surah Al-Fatihah is not just about recitation, it is about truly knowing your Rabb.